Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The cozy magic of faded florals, your shabby chic guide. You know that feeling of finding a perfect soft with age linen shirt at a thrift store? That's the heart of shabby chic. It's not about being worn out, but about being lovingly lived in. Now imagine wrapping your entire house in that feeling with a wallpaper of faded lavender and cream florals. This isn't about bold, modern statements. It's a whisper of romance. Our palette, washed out lavender, creamy ivory, and little butter yellow accents, is like a sun-drenched, forgotten cottage garden. It's forgiving, calming, and endlessly charming. So let's wander through how to let this gentle pattern tell its story in every room of your home. Start the story before you even step inside. Picture buttery yellow paint on your front door, slightly chipped to show hints of white underneath. Let climbing Cecile Brunner roses with their pale pink blooms scramble up beside the entry. On a porch, a weathered bench wears cushions in faded lavender ticking stripe. The garden itself should feel loose and romantic. Think lavender bushes, creamy Shasta daisies, and maybe an old wrought iron gate flaking with white paint. It's all about creating a vibe that says, "This happy, cozy place has been here forever." Step into a soft sigh of relief. Here, the floral wallpaper can shine on one key wall, with the others in creamy ivory. A rustic peeling paint console table holds a simple jug overflowing with dried lavender or creamy hydrangeas. A small framed butter yellow mirror hangs above it. Its glass may be a little wavy. The floor could be wide plank wood, softened by a faded floral patterned rag rug. Leave a pretty well-worn wicker basket for shoes, and you've set the tone. Welcoming, unpretentious, and gently pretty. This is where you sink in. Upholster a big, overstuffed sofa in a durable cream linen slipcover. It's okay if it wrinkles. Accent with pillows in your wallpaper's lavender and butter yellow, in textures like velvet and crochet. A painted coffee table distressed to show layers, holds stacked books and a ceramic lamp with a yellow linen shade. Soft, sheer ivory curtains let the light flood in and wash over the faded florals. Keep accessories simple. A chunky knit throw, a vintage oil painting in a gilt frame, and the quiet, happy clutter of a well-loved home. This room should feel like a cloud. Let the floral wallpaper cradle the wall behind a wrought iron or white painted wooden bed. Dress the bed in layers. Crisp cream sheets, a lavender matelass coverlet, and a butter yellow cable knit throw at the foot. A pair of vintage nightstands, each with a petite porcelain lamp, frame the bed perfectly. A faded Persian rug in rose and ivory adds warmth underfoot. The final touch? A slightly tarnished silver tray on the dresser holding your perfume bottles. Practical things become decor here. Imagine long, lazy lunches here. A farmhouse table with painted chairs, mismatched naturally, sits center stage. A simple ivory cotton tablecloth puddles a bit on the floor. The china doesn't need to match. Mix floral plates with creamy plain ones and yellow napkins. A chandelier overhead, maybe crystal or painted white, catches the light. A vintage hutch against one wall displays your collection of milk glass and transferware. It's a space made for conversation, where a water ring on the table just adds to the character. Shabby Chic loves a cozy kitchen. If wallpaper feels like too much here, use the butter yellow as paint on your cabinets, distressed at the edges. Open shelves display creamy white pottery and lavender check tea towels. A worn pine table serves as an island, topped with a bowl of fresh lemons for a pop of color. For a real signature touch, paper the back of your glass front cabinets with that floral pattern. A perfect little peek of romance. Textiles are key. A faded floral window valance and a braided rag rug in front of the sink tie it all together. Create a petite, pretty retreat. The floral wallpaper makes a dreamy backdrop here. Pair it with a freestanding vanity painted in creamy ivory, topped with a marble-look laminate or a repurposed wood counter. A simple, frameless mirror hangs above it. Towels in a stack lavender, cream, yellow add softness. Store cotton balls in a small glass jar with a butter yellow lid. On the windowsill, a pot of fresh lavender thrives. It's these small, thoughtful touches that turn even the most functional room into a peaceful, personal sanctuary.